The concept of a simple vegan lifestyle emerged in the early 21st century, largely driven by growing environmental concerns and increasing health awareness among populations worldwide. In its simplest form, it advocates for reducing meat consumption to minimal levels while still adhering to a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, grains, and legumes. This dietary choice has roots in ancient cultures but gained substantial popularity with the publication of books, like Eat Right for Your Metabolism by William Sears, which highlighted vegetarian benefits. Key developments include studies showing reduced incidence of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers linked to a vegan diet. In 2015, approximately 1/5 of Americans had adopted some form of vegetarianism or veganism, with numbers continuing to rise due to better education about the health and environmental impact. Factors contributing to this trend include technological advancements allowing for more efficient plant-based food production, increased availability of diverse products like vegan meat substitutes, and growing public demand for sustainable food options. As a result, economies have seen shifts in agricultural practices toward more sustainable, climate-resilient farming methods, while industries catering to the new consumer preferences have experienced exponential growth. Yet challenges persist in meeting global dietary needs without compromising sustainability goals or animal welfare standards. Looking ahead through 2050, projections suggest continued adoption of simpler vegan lifestyles due to increasing evidence linking these diets with longevity and reduced environmental footprints. However, addressing issues such as food security and ensuring equitable access will be crucial moving forward.